Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Kayla. So for today's video, I'm here to put you guys onto a wig that I feel like all you ladies need in your closet. And what's so great about this wig is the fact that there's literally no work required. Now, if you want the tea on this wig, then definitely keep on watching.
You're watching 𝐾𝐫𝐚𝐞, Caribbean Queen, 𝐾𝐫𝐚𝐞, Caribbean Queen, beauty, fashion, everything you need. You're watching 𝐾𝐫𝐚𝐞, Caribbean Queen, 𝐾𝐫𝐚𝐞, Caribbean Queen, beauty, fashion, everything you need.
For this video, I'm going to be trying on this wig that I got from Myfirstwig. As usual, we're just going to go ahead and unbox it. That's everything that comes with your wig. So here in this bag right here, you get your wig, and then they also send you this little pouch here. On the inside you get, let me just show you guys, so they send you 2 combs and also a rat teeth comb. So here we have our wig. Now, did I forget to mention that this is their infamous bang wig? So I did a video for this same exact wig about, I would say, 3 or 4 years ago. That video went viral. My pictures was stolen. It was used literally on every hair website that there is. And this one is basically just their new and improved bang wig. It does have the scalp top on it. I don't think the first one that I did try from them had that at all. It was just like a regular lace front wig with the bangs on it. But this one does have the scalp top, which I really like because it does make the wig appear a little bit more natural. This is what the inside of the wig is looking like. It also does come with the combs and everything on the inside. I also love the fact that there's no lace on it, so there's really no work required. All you have to do is basically just lay down your wig, well, sit it on your head, and that is it. So it does have the combs on the inside, the combs that you can stick in on the sides, and it does come with the elastic band in the back just for extra security. And yeah, this is what our wig is looking like. I'm just going to go ahead right now and try it on. Alright, so this wig, I'm just going to try it on. I love how it's already cut like really well. As you guys can see, I don't think I'll be needing to go back in and cut any hair from it, but I'm just gonna pass the iron over it first before I make my judgment. What I like about this one is the fact that it doesn't have no lace on it. I think the first one that I did try from them did have a lace on it, so it was like always annoying that I had to still go in and use glue or whatever to lay down my wig. But this one, there's no lace, so I'm really impressed with that. They definitely upped their game.
Broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So what we've been through, I miss you.
Yeah, one thing I love about Myfirstwig is the fact that their wigs are like really great quality, especially the hair that they use. The quality is really good, so your wig is definitely lasting you a while. So yeah. Alright, one side is done. Look at that. It's really nice, super silky, super soft. The hair is amazing, you guys.
Some pain and some passion. Nothing is ever enough. You can take my hand. I promise to
Wig is literally, you guys, exactly the same wig that I got from them 3-4 years ago. The quality is still the same. The hair looks the exact same. The only upgrade is that now it has like that fake scalp there. So if somebody was above you looking down onto your head, they're not seeing no weft, they're not seeing no tracks, they're just seeing a scalp. So, you know, it could pass for your hair. But yeah, the wig, you guys, absolutely amazing. I would still give this wig a 10 on 10. Like, the hair quality upgraded. It's super soft, super silky. I did get mine in a 20-inch. So I'm just going to read you guys the specs that I have on this sheet right here. So the order number is B892. The hair texture is silky, soft, and smooth. I got a 20-inch. Hair color is a natural color. The cap size is a number 2. And the cap construction is scalp top wig. Now, like I said, you guys, the hair is absolutely bomb. If I was to rate it out of 10, it's definitely a 20. Like, the hair is amazing, you guys. It looks really good. It feels super soft, super silky. It's just like, it just feels like silk. And this is the perfect wig for an everyday wear, especially for the girlies that do not like lace. This wig has absolutely no lace on it. The bangs on this unit was cut perfectly. I feel like the length that they actually cut it is like a one for all. I don't feel like anyone at all would have to go back in and cut any hair from it. I feel like they just cut it to the perfect length that it like basically fits perfectly on every head that there is. Sorry you guys, I know I have a broken nail. It looks so ghetto, but yeah. Broke my nail. I'm waiting for it to heal before I get a fill. But yeah, the bangs is just like cut to perfection. I didn't have to go in and cut any excess hair. Definitely recommend this wig for you guys, especially if you're not used to like laying down lace fronts and stuff like that, and you just don't know how to like lay down a lace front. This wig is so easy because there's no lace. All you have to do is pop it on your head. Just make sure your braids are flat. Pop it on your head, stick in the combs. You don't even have to stick in the combs. Right now I don't have the combs stuck in. And yeah, all you have to do else is style the hair, curl it, do whatever you want to it. And this is the wig, you guys. This pretty much brings us to the ending of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will have all the info listed down below in the description box. Thumbs up this video, comment, let me know what you guys think about the wig. Like, share, everything, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
You're watching